You can throw your pills out. You can throw your pills out now. You can throw your pills out. You can throw your pills out. You got that pill bottle. Take those pills back. It's bad for us and the environment. You be murderers if you flush pills. If you let them go, it'll make me ill. I hate to take them back, but I love to help the earth. But I will do it for the good of our country. Cold as a winter day, hot as a summer's eve. Take your pills there, drop them off and leave. I like to dispose of pills if you dispose them my way. I'm gonna tell you what to do. Let's start today. Let's take them out, put them in coffee grounds, now cover up the bottle and throw them out. I'm Rachy Rach, and I do this well. If you need some help, you can just tell. Ask me what to do, cause I won't be mad. And I got supplies, a Ziploc bag. Oh, pills, we dispose of you like pros. Pills, want to dispose all of you. Pills, coffee cup and throw you out. Call your pharmacist, you can throw your pills out. Oh, you can throw your pills out. Oh, whoa, you can throw your pills out now. You can throw your pills out. You can throw your pills out. Okay, I get it. Let me think. I guess it's my turn. Maybe it's time to take these pills back to help the earth. We say it's good. We probably right. It's better than throwing them out on a Friday night. Ha 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 ha. It's so much better life. Saving aquatic life. Be on my low scrunch. Be on my echo white. They say Nancy don't stop. You the bestest. And I just love them good because I'm the bestest. I love your pill bottle in the recycling bin. I race to help you out. Shake and bake coffee grounds. I'm at the Walgreens. There's one in every town. Where I dispose these pills because I need to help out. I see them stand in line to take their pills back. I let them use my tape to cover the bottle with black. You like to hide your info, that's why you cover it. Oh, that was your bottle? Good job hiding it. Oh, pills, we dispose of you like pros. Pills, want to dispose all of you. Pills, coffee cover, throw you out. Call your pharmacist, you can throw your pills out. Oh, you can throw your pills out. Oh, whoa, you can throw your pills out now. You can throw your pills out. You can throw your pills out. You like flushing pills, you dispose of them. You like taking them to take their programs. I bet you didn't know 250 million pounds of prescription drugs each year are flushed down. When they reach the bottom, you forget about them like they don't exist. Don't flush, hold it, hold it. You like you're supposed to, but you don't know it's bad for you. Take these instructions cause it's for you. If you say don't ever flush them, it's so bad and too harmful to be dropping and be flushing. When you join them, we rejoice and say your actions get us happy. So dispose it where you get it. We only live in the moment. Don't know what to do? Well, you're not alone. Here's what to do. Pick up your phone. Hey, doctor, I mean pharmacist, well, what do I do with all these leftover prescriptions? Look at how it's done. You take out the pills, put them in coffee grounds, shake them all around. Cover up your bottle, hide all your information, throw them out, and then you're done. Oh, pills, we dispose of you like pros. Pills, want to dispose all of you. Pills, coffee cover, throw you out. Call your pharmacist, you can throw your pills out. Oh, you can throw your pills out. Oh, wow, you can throw your pills out now. You can throw your pills out. You can throw your pills out. Rachy Rach, Andrew Reed, Nessie Ness, Crazy Chris, don't flush them, cause it's bad.